Welcome to the supermarket. Welcome to the supermarket. Let us walk together. Let us walk together. Look at these aisles. Look at these aisles. This is the dairy aisle. This is the dairy aisle. I need some milk. I need some milk. Where is the cheese? Where is the cheese? The cheese is here. The cheese is here. Now, the bakery aisle. Now, the bakery aisle. Fresh bread smells good. Fresh bread smells good. Do you like cakes? Do you like cakes? I love sweet cakes. I love sweet cakes. Let us find fruits. Let us find fruits. The produce aisle is here. The produce aisle is here. These apples are red. These apples are red. Do you want bananas? Do you want bananas? Yes, I need fruit. Yes, I need fruit. Moving to canned food. Moving to canned food. Soup is in cans. Soup is in cans. Check the price tag. Check the price tag. Is this item cheap? Is this item cheap? No, it is expensive. No, it is expensive. Let us go snacks. Let us go snacks. Chips are very popular. Chips are very popular. I prefer healthy nuts. I prefer healthy nuts. Time to pay now. Time to pay now. Go to the cashier. Go to the cashier. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.